Good morning. Good morning. You caught me in the middle of cooking. Maybe. Well, I actually have a great treat for you. If you enjoy cooking, baking, all things kitchen, I have for you Kylie Jean Breakfast Recipe Queen. I don't know if you're familiar with Kylie Jean, but she's got a whole series of books, okay? Chapter books for kids. And this was actually called Cooking Queen, and I think it just ties in greatly with the book that I'm actually wanting to show you today. And there's really, look at those waffles there on the side, just as colorful and beautiful. I love this book because it is chock full of nutritious, kid friendly to make recipes. All right, we have everything from oven pancakes to smoothies. I drink one every morning. To these rainbow waffles. So all kinds of really cool things. I love the pink. Girls, you'll love this. Even a breakfast pizza. Okay, tons of really cool things here. It's a really short book, only 32 pages. There's also, I found out, excuse me, a recipe book by Kylie Jean for lunch and for dinner. Haven't read those yet, but I can definitely recommend this one. So I give it 5 thumbs up. Check it out, and I know your parents will love you making breakfast for the family. Check it out.